Hi everybody, what is going on? It's over for you, Gary Gensler. Finally, all the legislators in Congress, congressmen, and everyone who were right there present yesterday at the grilling of the SEC chairman understood what you and I, all of us, and including the leaders, the entrepreneurs, Coinbase. I want to talk about why they're considering leaving the United States. I think that will be terrible. They're all living an innovation in the United States, guys. This is a very big subject because we don't want to fall behind against China and other ones. So because of the heads of state, these people that think they're over everyone, not understanding and probably never owning Bitcoin or crypto, but regulating on them, considering them securities, not even being able to answer the right questions. When he was asked, is Ethereum a security, yes or no? He couldn't say. He couldn't say. Literally froze Gary Gensler and other people seeing the incompetence of this guy. Blaming crypto for the collapse of Silicon Valley Bank. You guys see that? And then you can tell how he was even the campaign director in the Hillary Clinton 2016 campaign and more. They're like pulling out all of his connections from the past. And XRP, why don't we forget about that one? The current lawsuit right now is either security or not, and XRP knows that they're gonna win the case, and that's gonna be so pro bullish for crypto. Huge news, right? And on top of everything, guys, don't forget China, Russia, India, South America, and Russia, right? Brazil, there you go. BRICS, they're going forward with a new currency using the digital yuan, de-dollarization, and they're moving ahead. While other countries like Singapore, UK embrace crypto and they're moving faster than the US when it comes to what? Crypto regulation, crypto clarity. You see, what happened yesterday? It's a representation of what we're lacking in the US oversight space when it comes to blockchain technology. Brian Armstrong, the CEO of Coinbase, just said we're probably considering an on the table leaving to UK. He went to the UK, United Kingdom, not that long ago. And he says, he is praising the regulation there is right there for crypto. As well, UK, France or so. There's some of the most well-known crypto companies headquarters, including Singapore. That's why, even crypto comes from there. So there are other countries that are welcoming, Dubai and other ones that are welcoming, right? Crypto companies, and they understand that this is Internet 2.0. If you welcome the right companies, if you open and let them sit and explode, your country will be completely done and ready for the next decade. And it seems that the United States doesn't want to be that leader anymore. But thankfully, what we saw yesterday, the grilling of Gary Gensler, this guy, and it's not only him, I'm sure they're going to get more people under him. I think we need to change things, guys. And the United States, like Coinbase says, change the system, right? Update the system. There you go. Something has to be done. Something has to be changed. Because if we don't do it right, it might, not saying that it for sure will, but it might affect the next upcoming bull cycle. Because the United States has to do well too and allow different companies and crypto to be regulated and have clarity so they can continue moving on. We just got Bittrex out. They're getting out. They're closing, winding down in the United States for selling, violating United States law. And they tweet, the CEO tweets, unfortunately, cannot find the help we need from the US government, so we're out. These are the insane crypto news that I see, and it all makes sense once I digest them, that I analyze them, that I figure it out how it's working in a macro view. And you wonder why Bitcoin and Ethereum are not moving. We don't have to look any further. It's out there for us to grasp. It's clear. It's because whales are confused. Yeah, we are seeing pumps and dumps. Ethereum, Bitcoin are down. Some of the prices are down. I wouldn't blame it on them. It's just because we see what's going on right now makes total sense. And I'm sure that we might even have another bank run as the Fed continues increasing interest rates. It's all connected. But you've been updated. This is what occurred 24 hours ago plus. It's crazy, but we're here standing and we're not moving, guys. Like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Peace.